Hello guys, welcome back to Mech Geeks YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about Boyle's law. Here is the concepts that we are going to deal. What is Boyle's law? The mathematical expression, formula and the derivation, and an example for Boyle's law. So coming to the first one. What is Boyle's law? Boyle's law is a gas law which states that the pressure exerted by a gas of a given mass, kept at a constant temperature, is inversely proportional to the volume occupied by it. The mathematical expression for the Boyle's law is P inversely proportional to V, whereas P is the pressure exerted by the gas, and V is the volume occupied by it. This proportionality can be converted into an equation by adding a constant, K. P equals to K multiplied with 1 by V, or P into V equals to K. Formula and derivation. The product of the initial pressure and the initial volume of a gas is equal to the product of its final pressure and final volume. This law can be expressed mathematically as follows. P1V1 equals P2V2, where P1 is the initial pressure exerted by the gas, V1 is the initial volume occupied by the gas, P2 is the final pressure exerted by the gas, V2 is the final volume occupied by the gas. This expression can be obtained from the pressure-volume relationship suggested by Boyle's law. For a fixed amount of gas kept at a constant temperature, PV equals K. Therefore, P1V1 equals K. P2V2 equals K. P1V1 equals P2V2. Example for Boyle's law. When a filled balloon is squeezed, the volume occupied by the air inside the balloon decreases. This is accompanied by an increase in the pressure exerted by the air on the balloon. As a consequence of Boyle's law, as the balloon is squeezed further, the increasing pressure eventually pops it. So that's it guys about the Boyle's law. Hope you understood our video. If our explanation is good, please give thumbs up. And in case any improvements needed in our video, feel free to share your views in the comment section below. And finally, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon in the upcoming video.